The felony murder rule. What does the felony murder rule mean? The felony murder rule is when an unintended homicide happens during the commission of an inherently dangerous felony. What felonies technically qualify under the felony murder rule? So the ones that qualify is BARRK. 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 Burglary, arson, rape, robbery, kidnapping. So if one of those five felonies are committed, and during the commission of one of those five felonies, if not more, the defendant killed someone during the commission, the defendant will be liable for felony murder. Even if the defendant did not intend to kill, the defendant will be liable for felony murder, which is as serious and equal to first-degree murder. So if any accessories or co-conspirators are a part of this, let's just pretend that Israel Anderson and Riley rob a bank, Israel shoots the teller, Riley is the getaway driver. Even though Riley did not pull the trigger, Riley will be equally liable for felony murder because it's a foreseeable consequence of the felony of robbery that someone will get killed during a bank robbery. So that is felony murder. And yes, there are defenses to it. So if the defendant cannot be held liable for the underlying felony, let's say robbery in this case, Riley and Israel, then the prosecution cannot hold them liable for felony murder because you must show that the felony actually happened. So if they cannot prove the actual felony first, then they cannot actually hold the defendant liable for felony murder. Even attempted felonies under BARRK will suffice. But again, they must prove it. If they cannot prove that an attempted robbery happened or a robbery actually happened, then they cannot prove felony murder.